Children, now let's read page number 61 of chapter Our Homes. Let's read first paragraph of page number 61. Nomads do not live permanently at one place. Nomads are people who move from one place to another. They live in caravans which can be moved around by a horse, bullock, or a van. Children, people who travel a lot use caravans or homes on wheels. Now look at this picture given on page number 61. This is a picture of nomads with their caravan. Children, nomads are people who move from one place to another and live with their caravan. Now let's read Do You Know given on page number 61. Many people go on holidays in caravans which can be parked anywhere. So, children, people who travel a lot used caravans. Many people go on holidays in caravans. It can be parked anywhere. Now, let's read next paragraph. Climate plays an important part in the type of houses people live in. In hot climate of Rajasthan, the houses are built with high flat roofs to keep the house cool. The rooms are made around an open veranda to allow free movement of air and to keep cool. Children, as you know, climate plays an important role in the type of house. The houses in Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs to bear the hot weather. These types of houses remain cool from inside even in hot summers. Now let's read next paragraph. Materials used for building houses. Most people build houses with materials that are available locally. People use bamboo, grass, and clay for making huts in villages. Some people also use tin roofs and asbestos sheets as they cannot buy costly materials. Children, asbestos sheets सीमेंट की बनी होती हैं जो घर की छत के लिए यूज होती हैं. In cities, most people use materials like glass, steel, cement, wood, stone, marble, bricks, etc. to build strong houses. Children, most people use materials to build houses that are easily available. Like in village, people make huts with bamboo, grass, and clay because this material is easily available in villages. In cities, most people use glass, steel, cement, stone to build strong houses. Now, let's read next paragraph. In forests, wood is easily available. So people make wooden houses known as log cabins. In cold climate, also people use a lot of wood. It keeps the house warm in chilly weather. Chilly weather means sard mausam. Now children, look at this picture. In forests, wood is easily available, so people prefer to make wooden houses. It keeps the house warm. Wooden houses are known as log cabins. Now let's read Do You Know given on page number 61. Wooden houses are very common in areas that are prone to earthquakes. Such houses can be rebuilt easily. Prone means likely to suffer from. So, children, houses in earthquake prone areas are made up of wood because such type of houses can be rebuilt easily. Now, let's read next paragraph. Houses on seashores are made of strong waterproof materials to protect them from the strong salty winds. Children, seashore means samundra ka tat. Normally, these houses have big glass windows to allow the cool breeze to enter and to keep the storms out. So, children, houses on seashores are made of strong waterproof materials to protect the houses from the strong and salty winds. Now, let's read last paragraph of chapter Our Homes. The type of house a person builds also depends on the money that can be spent. A common person uses cheaper materials and builds a small house. A rich person uses costly materials to build a big house. So, children, the type of a house a person builds depends on money. A common person spends less money to build a house, and a rich person spends more money to build a big house. So, children, today you will read page number 59, 60, and 61 thoroughly and revise Do You Know given on page number 59, 60, and 61.